In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your construction projects in Monday.com. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with clear and practical steps. Whether you're handling small site tasks or larger construction projects, Monday.com provides an intuitive interface to organize and oversee all your work efficiently. First, let's begin by navigating to Monday.com in your web browser. This platform is the backbone of our project management process here, providing a versatile tool designed for collaboration and productivity. Once you're on the website, look for the login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login interface. Here, you'll want to select the option to log in using Google. It's a straightforward way to carry over your existing account details without having to remember another password. Choose your Google account and you'll be automatically signed in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new board. This is the space where you'll organize your projects. Look for a plus icon. Clicking it will open up the option to add a new board. From there, you'll want to explore the Template Center. Templates save you tons of setup time by providing pre-structured boards that align with common workflows and industry standards. In the Template Center, use the search bar to type in construction. This search will provide you with various ready-made templates designed specifically for construction project management, enabling you to hit the ground running. You'll see an option labeled Construction Management. This template is a fantastic starting point because it's tailored with all the categories and fields relevant to construction activities. Selecting this template integrates it into your dashboard. After clicking on the Construction Management template, you'll follow it up by choosing the Use Template button. Selecting this imports all the predefined categories and fields to your new board, which significantly reduces the workload in setting up the initial framework. The template includes various tools and lists to track progress, allocate tasks, set deadlines, and manage resources effectively. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a construction project management board using Monday.com. Feel free to adapt the template to your specific needs by adding or removing columns, linking boards, and inviting team members to collaborate. Remember, the power of Monday.com lies in its flexibility, so experiment and adjust the template as your projects evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.